here talking body language. Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Peter the parrot. I'm here today to talk to you about body language. Put your hand up if you know what body language is. Okay, body language is how we communicate without using our words. Today, we're going to be looking at how we know what others are feeling. Let's see, what do I have down here? Yes, a happy face. I know when others are happy because they give me a big smile. Can you give me a big smile? Excellent. Excellent, good job. Now, what about when you are sad? When we feel sad, we frown and sometimes even cry. What does your body do? I know when I am sad, my shoulders hunch over. Can you frown and hunch your shoulders too? Well done. What about when we are mad? My wings tense up, and even my face does too. Now, can you tense your body and face as if you are mad? Great job! Now that you know a little about body language, you'll be able to see how others are feeling even when they don't use their words. I hope you've enjoyed learning about body language today. You know, you can learn more by playing games with your friends. Perhaps you can guess what feelings they are feeling by reading their body language. But remember, don't use your words. Well, I'm Peter the Parrot, and I've enjoyed spending this time with you. Bye for now. See you next time.